Welcome students. Today I will be teaching you the basics of electronic spreadsheet. This topic is being covered under IT skill course 402. So firstly I'll open Office. That means I'm using OpenOffice 4.1 latest version. And from here we'll open the spreadsheet. So basically this is the basic interface of electronic spreadsheet. If you have done MS Excel, the basic interface is nearly same. The actual design is moreover same as it appears in this software, that means spreadsheet software under OpenOffice. So firstly, covering the topics covered in IT skill course 402, firstly I'll be telling you the basics. So you could see here on the top A is written as it is B is written. These are the column alphabets. These are the columns, and on the top alphabets are written like A, B, C, D, and on the left side row numbers are there. So when the column and row it crosses each other, the cell is formed, a box is formed, you could say a rectangle is formed, that is called a cell. Now these are the cell. Now I should say this is cell A1. Now why I am saying it as A1? Firstly I will give you some further examples, like this is A2, A3. I think it is coming clear to you how I am doing. Suppose I want to show you firstly, like firstly I have to move upside. I will see which column alphabet I am having on the top. Now this is A. Then I will see towards left side. Now that is 4. So that means this cell is having ID as A4. So I'll write as A4. I hope it is very much clear to you how I can make the cell address. Suppose here I want to write the cell address. So what will be the cell address? So firstly I'll see on the top, I'll go on the top, it's C, and then towards the left side it's 4. So it should be C4. So I hope the basic concept is clear to you. Any column or any row, wherever I am going, just simple fundamental is that firstly I have to see on the top and then towards the left. Suppose this one D2. So I hope this concept is very much clear to you how I have to see the cell address. And by default you could see here 3 sheets are given: sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. You can add more sheets also, like in OpenOffice Writer you are having different pages. The same way here in Excel, rather I should say it as a spreadsheet software. Excel is also a spreadsheet software under MS Office. So in spreadsheet you could see different rows and columns, but if you want to have if you want to take some another page, then at the bottom you can click upon different sheets like sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So by default I am working upon sheet 1. I hope the basic concept is very much clear, and how to install this spreadsheet, so that I have already explained in my first tutorial when I was teaching digital documentation. How to start with digital documentation, how to go with digital documentation, that means OpenOffice Writer. So when I was teaching that time I have given the link how to install OpenOffice. So that link I will share in my this tutorial also. You can just click upon that link and download this whole OpenOffice. So I hope the basic concept is clear. Today I'll just stopping my tutorial here only. because this was just the basic to make you familiar with the interface. So, with my next tutorial I will be coming with few other things, few other basics, few calculations. So, till then, bye.